Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you on how to unlock your community chat on WhatsApp. If you're part of a community and want to regain access to the chat, we've got you covered. Let's dive into this full guide. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Click on your community. This will take you to the community chat page. Step 3. Click on the 3 dots at the top right of the page. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 4. Tap Community Info. This will take you to the community information page. Step 5. Tap Announcements. Here, you'll find various settings related to the community. Step 6. Turn off chat lock. This will disable the chat lock feature. Step 7. Scan your fingerprint or use pattern. Follow the prompts to unlock the community chat using your fingerprint or pattern. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to unlock your community chat on WhatsApp and rejoin the conversation. Stay connected and engaged with your community. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.